Assalamu alaikum. This is my sewing machine copper motor. Here is the motor foot pedal. This is a belt and one screw to tighten the motor. I already have a belt to set the motor, so I use the old belt. This is copper motor, specially made for this black old machine. This is new one. This is foot pedal or foot controller of this machine. This is complete set. Pedal have two parts. I set with motor bracket and other connect the switch. This switch connect to the motor. This is requested video, so I make this video January. Let's start the video. First we remove the handle wheel, install the belt, here is the screw hole. This is screw. I set the motor here with the help of screw. It is so easy. First I tied this screw with my hand lightly. Then I adjust the belt. Belt should be neither be tight or not too loose. Then we tighten the screw. Now our machine is ready to use after installation the foot pedal or foot controller. This is the right position of our motor set. Install the foot pedal and controller plug connector into the motor. This is foot pedal, plug and controller. Plug connector into the motor. Now our machine is ready to use. Switch the foot pedal. I put the pedal on the floor to start the machine. This is the right position of pedal. Step firmly upon the controller. Motor will begin to rotate. Motor speed can be controlled by the pressure on the foot pedal. Right way to step the pedal. This is right way. Not use the pedal in this position. This is wrong way. I hope guys you like my videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Allah Hafiz.